Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of unblocking a group member on Instagram using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've accidentally blocked someone in a group chat and want to restore your connection, follow these simple steps. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon located on the left menu. This icon resembles a paper airplane and will take you directly to your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find and open the group chat where the member you want to unblock is located. Click on it to enter the conversation. Now that you're in the group chat, it's time to click on the info icon. This icon typically looks like an eye in a circle and will provide you with details about the group and its members. In the member list, locate the name of the person you wish to unblock. Next to their name, you'll see 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open up a menu with several options related to that member. Finally, select Unblock from this menu. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to unblock this member. Click Confirm to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully unblocked a group member on Instagram using your PC. Now you can reconnect and continue your conversations without any interruptions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.